Hello everyone. In this module, we will learn how you can set up your library. This simply means how you can add your publications into your Mendeley library. In the previous module, we have seen that we can use that, but now we will see how it can be done. So there are multiple ways. Here you can see that there is an option of add files, add folder, watch folder. So you need to select a file or folder to add from your computer. Suppose you have a folder in your computer where you have kept all your publications. Then in that case you have to select a file or a folder to add it from your computer. This will comes under add files. And then there is a watch folder. You can watch the folder, and then you can add reference by manually entering the details. So there are three options. Suppose you have one we have already discussed. If it is there in your computer, you can also have a watch folder to search your publications that is kept into your that is kept in your computer. And the third thing, if you don't have PDF, you don't have link, you don't have any information, but you have that information about your publications, it can be written in your diary, it can be available in a doc file, so that you can check the details and add references by manually entering the details from your Word file or LibreOffice, any file you can take that. And then there is another option, that is fourth one, which is import. So we have discussed in previous module that there are so many formats available with your research paper that can be used to import the published papers into the Mendeley reference manager. So with this option of import, here you can see there is a BibTeX that is having a file extension of .bib. Then we have EndNote XML, EndNote V8 X1 to X3 version .xml. Then we have research information systems .ris files, and then you can also take it from the Zotero library. So Zotero is a free and open source tool which is equivalent to Mendeley. The same features can be seen in the Zotero also. So if you have kept all your publication into the Zotero library, that can also be added into your Mendeley reference manager. So here you can see that there are so many options. You can have your papers from your computer, you can have a watch folder also, you can add the entries manually, and then you can finally import from various formats available like BibTeX. So after these parameters, we have a very wonderful thing about Mendeley, that it comes with Mendeley Web Importer. Suppose you have IEEE publication, you go to the link of published papers. There, as it is a paid publications, like to download the papers, but you can see the abstract and title and author's year of publication about that publication on the portal of IEEE Explore. So if you have added Mendeley Web Importer as a Chrome extension, or as your Mozilla Firefox extension, or any other browser, then simply you have to click on that Mendeley browser extension. This here you can see the logo of Mendeley. This is nothing but Mendeley browser extension. So once you clicked on it, it will give you the information about journal articles that are present on that particular link. So journal article is there, the aging urban brain. So it will give an option that whether this is your publication. So you have to just click on that publication and click on the add button. So here you can see there is a drop down menu and my library is already selected. So this publication will automatically take a place into your Mendeley Web Reference Manager, and then this publication will be appearing in your software of Mendeley. So you don't have to add PDF, you don't have to import BibTeX or other files, you don't have to enter the details manually. So Mendeley Web Importer is directly picking all the details related to that publication, and it will add into your Mendeley software. So apart from this, Mendeley also suggests some publications, as you already have your profile registered with Mendeley, so you can click on suggest button after visiting mendeley.com. So it will give you some articles for you that people you want to follow, or if you're working on suppose electromagnetic radiations, then you can see other articles or articles related to your topic by other authors, you can follow those authors, you can see their publications, so and so on. So this is how you can find a new research and add into your library using Mendeley Web Importer. So with this Mendeley Web Importer, you can import papers, web pages and other documents directly into your reference library from the search engines and academic databases. So Mendeley Web Importer is available for all the major web browsers, that is Chrome, Firefox and Edge. So you just have to go to the browsers and you can directly import Mendeley Web Importer, or you can go to the website of Mendeley itself and it will take you to the link where you can add into your browser as an extension or as a bookmark, you can say that. So it will be added into your browser. So this way you can have all the information of your publication directly into your Mendeley reference manager. So after you edit, suppose you're working on your standalone software which you have downloaded about Mendeley, and after that you added all the publication into your My Library, then you can click on the sync button and it will automatically will be sync to the Mendeley. You have a library on mendeley.com and it will be sync on the cloud as well, so you can use any tab or any gadgets that and it as it is sync, so you can watch all the publication at any PC, any you can say that cloud or any mobile phone. You have tab, you have PC, you have laptop, because you have sync all your documents with the option of sync on Mendeley Web Reference Manager. So it will help you to retrieve all the publication on all the gadgets. So thank you so much.